Pixel Paws darted across the rooftops, his eyes glinting with determination. Byte the bouncing bunny and Circuit the chameleon followed closely, their expressions a mix of concern and resolve.
We've got to stop this before it gets worse,
He urged, his voice barely audible above the crackling static. Byte the bouncing bunny hopped ahead, his ears twitching as he decoded lines of corrupted code. Circuit the chameleon blended into the shadows, his eyes scanning for threats.
This is some serious malware.
He muttered, his paws flying over a keyboard to bypass security locks. Shadow Byte materialized, his voice echoing through the chamber.
You're too late, Pixel Paws. Techtopia will be mine.
He sneered. Pixel Paws squared his shoulders, his magic collar glowing with an ethereal light.
We'll see about that,
He challenged, phasing through the defenses with ease. Circuit the chameleon slipped past digital barriers, his skin shifting hues to match his surroundings.
Now Pixel
Byte shouted, having found a crucial vulnerability. Pixel Paws leapt into action, severing Shadow Byte's hold over the control center. Shadow Byte retreated, his form disintegrating into pixels. Pixel Paws watched the sunrise with a satisfied nod.
We did it!
Circuit whispered, relief evident in his voice.
for now, but he'll be back.
Byte warned, ever vigilant. Pixel Paws turned to his friends, his eyes bright with gratitude.
Together we'll protect Techtopia,
He declared, his resolve unshakable. United in purpose, the three friends shared a moment of camaraderie, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead.